In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record yourself in Canva. To get started, open your Canva design. This should be the project where you want your recorded video to appear. Once your design is open, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where Canva keeps many of its tools and content options. From there, click on Uploads. Inside the Upload section, look for the option called Record Yourself, and then choose Record a Talking Head. This is the feature Canva uses when you want to capture yourself on camera directly and place that recording into your design. After you select that option, a new web page will open. Give it a moment to fully load before doing anything else. This is important because the recording interface and device settings need a few seconds to appear properly. Once the page has loaded, move to the top right area of the screen. Here, you'll be able to choose the camera you want to use. Click the camera drop-down menu and select your preferred camera if you have more than one connected. If needed, you can also adjust your microphone in the same area. Just click the microphone drop-down and choose the mic you want Canva to use. This is a good time to quickly confirm that the correct devices are selected so your video and audio come out the way you expect. When you're ready to begin, go to the bottom center of the screen and click Record. Canva will give you a 3-second countdown, which gives you a brief moment to prepare before the recording starts. After the countdown, your recording will begin automatically. Go ahead and record whatever you need. When you're finished, click Done at the bottom center of the screen. Next, look to the top right and click Save and Exit. This will close the recording page and take you back to your Canva design. Once you're back in your design, you'll find the recording element at the bottom left. If you click on it, you should see a play button. Click play and your recording will start so you can review both the video and audio. This is a helpful way to make sure everything's saved correctly and sounds clear before continuing with your design. And that's it. That's how to record yourself in Canva.